Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing a carbon fiber Z emblem on my 370Z. If you're anything like me, I absolutely hate the chrome on the back and the front, so I'm going to be installing these to get a better look. So before we get started, I ordered these from Concept Z Performance. It comes with a little carbon fiber piece and then the black Z, and you just stick them on top of each other with the 3M. You don't have to run the carbon fiber, but I like the looks of it better. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. The first thing that I'm gonna do is remove this 3M piece from the back of the Z emblem and then attach it to the carbon fiber piece where I want it. Now that both the front and the rear badges are prepared, I'm going to go ahead and work on taking the chrome badges off of the Z. So to start, I'm going to use a heat gun to heat up the tape behind this emblem and then work away at getting it off. First thing I tried to get the emblem off was floss. The floss was too thin and kept breaking, so I forgot about that. And then the next thing that I tried was a flathead with a microfiber on top of it. I wouldn't recommend that. I kind of damaged the paint a little bit. But what we did end up using, channel locks and then needle nose pliers, and I'll show you what we did. But again, that's only if you don't care about your emblem, because this is destroyed now. So the next thing that I'm going to do is work on removing the rest of the 3M that didn't come off with the emblem. A lot of it, honestly, you can just like peel off with your fingers. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to clean it with hydrogen peroxide. So now that I've peeled most of the 3M off, there's still some remaining, and I don't have Goo Gone or the 3M wheel. So I'm going to go ahead and use some acetone nail polish remover to get the rest off. I just got the rest of the 3M off. What I ended up doing was soaking it with the acetone, and then I went back with an eraser and then individually got the rest of it off, and it worked well.
So these little tabs you have to grind off. You can use a Dremel, but what I find the easiest is honestly a knife. It's such soft plastic. You can just chop it off, and that eliminates any risk of the Dremel slipping and hitting any of the other paint.
Oh, nice. It's almost there. So now that the tabs are gone, I'm going to go ahead and take hydrogen peroxide and then clean up this area so it's ready for the new 3M badge. Now that everything is clean, I'm going to go ahead and peel the 3M on the back of this and attach it.
That's the right way up.
Yeah. How did you place it? And now it is on. It looks so good. The only thing that I hate is there's a little piece of paint. I didn't even do that. I did that one, but I don't know what that's from, so. The next thing I'm gonna do is get rid of this completely. I'm just gonna do the same thing, heat it up with the heat gun, and then I'm probably gonna try to go with floss and get this off since it's not indented like the badge was. Now I'm just left with the 3M. I'm going to do the same thing I did with the badges and soak it with acetone and scrape it off, or just use an eraser. So the easiest way I've found to get all of this 3M off is just take a cotton pad with acetone and just soak the area, and then take an eraser and it comes right off. And then just continue doing that until you get all of it. Now check that out. No more 370 and no more 3M. And that is the back with the carbon fiber badge and then Debadge the 370. It looks so much better. And now I'm going to flip the car around and do the badge on the front. So now we're going to do the front badge. It's the same thing as the back, but we're going to show you how to use the channel locks, and then I'll do a time lapse of the whole thing. And now we're using the channel locks like we did on the back.
Go this way.
Yep. Now hydrogen peroxide, and clean that up a little bit. Double check it before. Here's a look at the front badge. Looks so much cleaner than the chrome. And then the back one as well. I honestly just hate the chrome, so for the price that these are, I love that I can just upgrade the look and make it look so much better.